Hey guys, thanks for checking us out. We are living through an information explosion, a rapid increase in the amount of information produced and posted online. Some of this information is great, most of it is junk. So how can you avoid wasting your time on all this junk? We made a simple browser extension to help you. Valurank evaluates each webpage before you spend time reading it. It gives you a summary of scores that you can use to decide whether this webpage is worth spending time on. It's basically a nutrition label for content. A simple pre-filter that helps you decide whether something is worth consuming before you consume it. Let me show you how it works. First, you're probably watching this video on the Chrome Web Store now. So you need to click this button to install the extension. Then click Add Extension on the pop-up. Now an icon appears in the upper right corner. You can actually pin this icon to the toolbar, like this. That's it. You're ready to use the extension. Let's try it out on a few sources and see what it says. First, let's test it on some really high-quality stuff. How about Wikipedia? Most news-centric tools won't evaluate this because it's not news, but we can evaluate any text. This one scores 97. Now, let's try it on a more common news source. How about The Hill? Okay, not as good as Wikipedia, but still pretty good. Now, let's see what happens if we stay with the same news source. But try to read something from their entertainment section. Much lower. So, as you can see, this extension doesn't just score the news source. It scores the actual quality of the article. Let's see why this article scores so much lower than the previous one. It's offensive. It has no external references. And the language used is really not that informative. It's all opinions and hearsay. Now, finally, let's see what happens when we read something really fake. Let's say your crazy uncle shared this link on Facebook. 18. So there's no point in reading it, right? If you want to debunk it, just click on this icon right here to copy a link and send it back to your crazy uncle. Tell him not to send you anything below 50 from now on. Problem solved. So that's all there is to it. Start valuing your time and your friends' time by using Valurank. Just click the button and add it to your browser.